I'm a younger guy. My wife's only a year younger than I am, but I mean, she looks years younger. She's just beautiful, and I love our wedding photo. I love the way I looked then. I had my hair. The good Lord blessed me with hair on our wedding day. Fantastic. But you know what? A couple years into it, it's starting to go. I was hoping upon hope that it wouldn't happen, and sure enough, it caught up with me. I mean, it caught up, and I'm in my mid-20s. I'm too young for this to happen. So yeah, it is in the genes, let me tell you. The shampoos you put on, the conditioners. I'm trying some of that stuff, but it definitely didn't stop it. I'm with this gorgeous woman, and I felt so much older than she was. For her, maybe it wasn't a big deal, but for me, it was a huge deal. Going to the gym is a whole other story for me. I've been going to the gym for years, basically, and I've gotten to know a lot of people at the gym I go to. There's a lot of guys there that are older than I am. They've got these great heads of hair. I'm going to the gym. This is back before I had hair. I'm wearing a bandana. I was never comfortable, and so I've got a bandana on my head, always. Now, if I'm at the gym, there's no bandana, and if I'm wearing a bandana, it's because I want to, and I'm not putting it over the whole head. I've got hair sticking out the top of the bandana, and it's fantastic. I've got this great head of hair. I'm not worried about where the hair is going, because I know it's there. I feel like a young guy who's at the gym working out. I feel like me again. It's all about expectations. What you can expect when you see yourself with hair. If I'm gonna get hair, it's gotta look good, you know? And I was blown away. Now she just loves it. Knowing that she loves it, that makes me love it.